How to fix Epic Games Launcher not installing issue. Unable to install on Windows. If you can't download and start the installer on Windows 10, try these steps. Because these are for Windows 10, they may vary slightly on other versions. 1. Temporarily disable background applications. You can use the steps in this article to do this. 2. Make sure you are running the installer as an administrator on your computer. 1. Right-click on the installer. 2. Click on Run as Administrator. 3. Click on Yes. 3. Make sure you have read/write access to the selected install path. 1. Navigate to your selected install location. 2. Right-click the installation folder and click Properties. 3. Click the Security tab. 4. Click on your username in the group or usernames box. 5. Verify that there is a check under Allow beside both Read and Write in the Permissions box. 4. Make sure your Windows is up to date. 1. Click Start. 2. Type Windows Update and press Enter. 3. Click on Check for Updates. 4. Install any updates. 5. Make sure your computer has the most recent graphics drivers. If your graphics card is manufactured by NVIDIA, you can search for the latest drivers here. If your graphics card is manufactured by AMD, you can search for the latest drivers by using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Epic Games Launcher is unable to reinstall due to a previous installation. If you receive this error message, you can fix this by running this tool here from Microsoft. Once you run the troubleshooter, try installing the Epic Games Launcher again. Epic Games Launcher installation fails or is corrupted. If you can't install or access games in the Epic Games Launcher, your antivirus program might be interfering. We have confirmed that one such antivirus program is 360 Total Security, but others may also be affected. The steps below work when using 360 Total Security and may also help with other antivirus programs. 1. Temporarily disable your antivirus software. 2. Run the Epic Games Launcher installer. 3. After you successfully install the Epic Games Launcher, re-enable your antivirus software.